If you have been waiting for a foldable iPhone, then perhaps your wait may end soon. According to many reports, Apple is working on a foldable device. Samsung has been the only major player in the foldable phone market. But now, there are reports that Apple may launch its first foldable iPhone and iPad in 2026 or 2027. This could be a matter of concern for Samsung, as Apple's entry will increase competition in the sector. MacRumors has indicated that Apple can launch a foldable device with 7 to 8-inch screen size, which will compete directly with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, a device with 6.7-inch screen size. According to experts, Apple can introduce iPhone and iPad in book-style design. According to the latest report, Apple is making an iPad mini with an OLED screen. According to the report, Samsung and LG displays are being used in Apple's foldable iPhone and iPad. Apple will provide 7-inch and 8-inch screen size. Samsung can be Apple's primary supplier and distributor.